Pasok na bukas. Tapos, but talaga this past few weeks, ang unproductive ko. Putang ina, wala man lang akong natutunan. Buisit! Kahit konti lang sana sa physics, pero wala. Wala. Tas nung walang pasok, sana naman nag-aral ako, pero hindi ako nag-aral. Nag-cellphone na lang ako. I mean, kasalanan ko naman, alam ko, pero ano ginagawa ko? Ba't ganito yung buhay ko? Ba't naging miserable akong tao? Ngayon nade-depress na ako kasi yun nga, wala akong ginawa magdamag. Ano na gagawin ko? Baka hindi na ako magkakatrabaho in the future. Baka hindi din ako makaka-college kasi ang tanga ko na dinadownload ko na lang sarili ko. Pero totoo naman. Super depressed ko. Oh my God. To the point na ayaw ko man lang buksan yung mga modules. To the point na lahat ng mga binibigyan na activities ini-AI ko. Oh my God! Di, okay lang. Ang unproductive ko talaga. Wala na yung academic achiever na nasa loob ko. Unlike noon, na talagang tutok na tutok akong mag-aral. Pero ngayon, wala na talaga. And also, the reason why, kasi nag-stand ako ng new group. 1 month pa lang yung debut nila. And that 1 month, putra guys, nakatutok lang ako sa kanila and dinidisregard ko na yung mga academic yung mga homework ko and studies ko. I'm not even studying now. Parang nagsa-study na lang ako ng parang quiz, ganun. Even essays, ang tanga-tanga ko na. Sana talaga ma-refresh yung utak ko. Pero paano ako makaka-refresh kung tutok na tutok ako sa K-pop group na yun? Parang hindi ko na ginagala yung mga studies ko. Parang iniiwasan ko na, like, girl, grade 12 ka na, magka-college ka na soon. What if, oh my God. Tapos bukas baka manigas ako kasi sobrang stress na ako kasi wala pa akong ginawa na at the same time unproductive ko kasi super depressed ako and at the same time nagkaka-anxiety ako. Yeah, I have depression, bitch. Yeah. And at the same time, nag-away kami ng nanay ko. Mostly, it's her fault, actually. Pero sana naman, Lord, bigyan niyo ako ng chance to be a better person. I mean, ako naman yung magdedesisyon. Like, alam ko naman na ako yung magdedesisyon sa future ko. If I try my best, I can actually succeed in basta wala na talaga. Ang bobo ko talaga. Oh my God, I'm losing my confidence. It's because of this depression shit that I'm losing my confidence and I'm not even taking my meds. Now I'm fucking crying. I'm so sensitive nowadays. Like, literally. Ngayon umiiyak na ako kasi hindi ako nagtok ng meds. Hindi naman yan meds. Vitamins lang. Pero, nakaka-help siya sa akin. Pero, parang, naiiyak na lang ako. Siguro kakatapos ng period ko ganun. Pero, oh my God. Yeah, anyway, 1 month talaga. Hindi ko pa napansin yung oras. Na, oh my God, yung physics ko talaga. Oh my God, yung physics ko. Since first week of, like, or since the first lesson ng physics, hindi na ako nakakatuto. Wala talaga ako naintindihan. Promise. Wala talaga. Like, ano yun? Nag-chill lang, ganun, chill. Chill pa ba to? Hindi na yung chill. Yung gusto ko sana na i-achieve ngayon is to get a scholarship. And I can't even do that because I'm so unproductive. Like, if I want to get a scholarship, I need to be productive. I need to be active. I need to be academic achiever. But bro, oh my god, why am I dumb? I need to process my mind, really. Because I've been, like, literally stressed kaninang umaga pa or kahapon pa. Kasi, or nung Biyernes pa. Kasi, I said to myself na magsastudy ako ng physics. But the next day, like, parang ayaw gumalaw yung katawan ko to do that thing. And it's just like, I'm becoming a miserable person. And at the same time, nag-scroll ako sa Instagram and there's this sinabi doon na may mga sign na you're a miserable person now. Ganun kineme, ganun. Sinabi doon na nakahiga ka na lang palagi, hindi ka na lumalabas, tapos naka-cellphone ka na lang, tapos wala, hindi ka gumagawa ng mga gago ako yun. Lord, I'm actually kinda like scared, and at the same time my depression is depressing. My depression is slowly getting higher. My anxiety is starting to rise up. My stress, max. My laziness, bro, it changed. Noon hindi ako lazy, now what the fuck happened? Why am I so lazy now? Well, aware naman ako, and that's the problem. Aware ako, hindi ko ginagawa yun. I mean, like, what I meant to say is, aware ako, pero parang wala akong ginagawa. Like, I just let it be, or just let that thing happen as it is. Asan na ako? What was I saying kanina? Na nagbago na ako? May laziness? Yeah. Yeah. What was I saying? Okay. Before, I was not that lazy. I'm still lazy before, but I'm not that lazy. Like, I'm productive as fuck. Like, I clean the house. I even wash the dishes. I wake up early in the morning. Now it's fucking 1 a.m. and I'm still not sleeping. Or, oh no, it's not 1 a.m. It's 2 a.m. and I'm not sleeping. What the fuck am I gonna do with my life? I'm so miserable. I hope I can change it. I hope I can restart. I hope I can reset. I hope I can reboot and start being productive again, because I'm fucked. My life is fucked at the moment. But yeah, anyway, bye.